Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a controller not working in Escape from Tarkov on PC. Whether you're using Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, or a generic controller, these steps will help you get your gamepad detected and working correctly. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library, find Escape from Tarkov, right-click it, and select Properties. On the left side, click the Controller tab. Find the drop-down menu labeled Override for Escape from Tarkov. Select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't work, go back to the same drop-down and choose Disable Steam Input. Try launching the game again. One of these two settings usually fixes the issue depending on your controller type. Solution 2. Open Steam again. Click on Settings. Go to the controller section and look for external gamepad settings. Now check only the options you actually use. Xbox controllers enable Steam input for Xbox controllers. If the controller doesn't work, try disabling it. PlayStation controllers, find PlayStation controller support. First choose Not Enabled. If it doesn't work, select Enable for games without support, Switch, and generic controllers. Follow the same idea. Enable or disable to see what works best. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if necessary. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Find your gamepad in the list. Right-click it and choose Disable Device. Then right-click again and choose Enable Device. This refreshes the connection and often fixes detection issues instantly. Solution 4. Still not working? Let's try updating the driver manually. Right-click your gamepad in Device Manager and choose Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your gamepad driver and press Next. Wait for the installation to finish. Now launch Escape from Tarkov and test your controller. It should be working now. And that's it. You now know 4 effective methods to fix controllers not working in Escape from Tarkov on PC. Try each solution until your gamepad starts responding. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you need more help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.